Oh, just getting back into it. It's around 2 o'clock or so, 2:30. Just gonna take this off. I just wanted to show. So yeah, these guys fiberglass down over the hull. Seems like good fiberglass work, but not so much in the transom. This is just the floor. What it was. Was sitting like that. I was figuring, see if I could get a video of the water. Imagine how much weight that adds to a boat. What's interesting, so I got that couple stringers out here, and I removed the chunk here, but I noticed foam on the back side of that stringer. Foam right down at the bottom there. Wasn't down on the stringer, only this upper one. Not sure if that was a fuck up or by design. And maybe knowing it's going to get wet, letting it drain. I'm not sure. Yeah. Interesting. So just to give you an idea how I'm getting all this little bits of wood that are stuck to the fiberglass off. And I'm trying to not be noisy. So I'm just using my chisel and just a rubber mallet. Slowly just getting under it and peeling it away. So I'll just do that everywhere until I'm just left with, you know, very minor sections. Hopefully I don't get in the way of the camera here. And I just keep this quiet as I can. Then once I get the bulk of it off everywhere, then I'll just go and hit it with my little sander here. Just kind of remove any little lumpies. Like say even this. It's nice with the rubber mallet when you tap it because it's very quiet. Try to keep the neighbors a little bit happy. So, got the transom out. I'm not sure what time it is, 5:30ish or something. So all the tools I used. Made a mistake, I just cut the floor back to there and removed those stringers first. And then I cut it back farther to give me more room to kind of get that transom into place. Let me move up here. And this one was a bitch because the wood was soaking wet. Brutal to cut. Yeah, it's all down the glass. Didn't sand anything yet. It's all with this guy and the pry bar. And just tapping it. Not sure how high to put the next transom. But yeah, any ideas for me? This looked like a mistake hole that was covered up. But yeah, do a bit of sanding and get ready. Well, I guess clean up all this area, make it ready. Yeah, maybe by the weekend, transom time. There's the carnage. So yeah, maybe anybody's thoughts if they would remove all the floor and all the stringers at the same time and then do the transom and then do the stringers, or do the transom first, just like I have here, cut that across. Once that's in place and cured, then remove all the stringers and do the stringers at that point in time. Anyway, looking for any tips or tricks anybody has. And I should put it in there.